Every individual's version of justice varies, and our current system often doesn't include the needs of the victims.
Restorative Justice Victoria facilitates communication, direct or indirect, between victims and offenders in the aftermath of a crime to collaboratively find an outcome that will mend the harm that was done and address the causes of the offense.
It's not often that we get a chance to be able to see into the mindset of someone and what caused them to do the actions they did. But working with restorative justice, I think it brings something that otherwise we wouldn't be able to have.
We work with clients to determine if and how restorative justice is appropriate for their case.
The experience left me 100% satisfied in terms of the opportunity to be involved, to be heard, and to hear the other side of the story.
If I've done something wrong, if I'm heard, then I'm more likely to not be resistant or defensive. And so I use my energy for doing what I need to do as a person to become who I was meant to be.
We have one-to-one prep meetings with our clients to prepare them to communicate with each other, which usually takes the form of a face-to-face meeting facilitated by our trained community members.
All parties have the chance to express how they were affected by a certain crime that was committed, or why that crime was committed for that matter.
Everybody's involved and everybody gets a chance to speak. And then they hear each other in ways that take you to a whole different level.
These meetings provide a valuable opportunity for the victim to have a voice in the justice process, ask questions, and share with the offender how the offense impacted them.
This was by far the best healing process I could have done for myself.
I heard the apology I was hoping for.
I'm leaving feeling that the incident will lead to repairing the harm and improving the community.
Offenders have the opportunity to hear how they've affected others, work to address those impacts, and the root causes of their crime.
I've been involved in restorative justice circles, and often they can cause the offender to internalize and realize what they did wrong to a much greater effect than the criminal justice system could ever dream of, thus positively changing the behavior and the attitude.
I understand why I did what I did.
We ensure a safe and respectful environment throughout the process and provide both victims and offenders with information, resources, and support.
The victims often see what went on with the person. They meet a person and not just somebody who stole goods or broke my window.
Every day I am so thankful for the restorative justice program and every single person involved.
Contact us for more information about what we do and how you can help.
I feel like I've had a chance to make up for my mistakes.